2.1, solving systems of equations by elimination. Okay, objective, solve system of equation algebraically. Okay, so vocab we need for this is independent. Independent means the system only has one solution, and that would mean both lines are exactly on top of each other. No, they only hit once. So, like that. Dependent means they have infinitely many solutions. That's when they're both on top of each other. Oops. And inconsistent means that they have no solution. The only way this can occur is if they're parallel to each other. Okay, so our first example is simple if you look at the way it's written now. Here we could just subtract the x's from each other. So here just be, cross these two out, so it would be 0. And that would be minus y is equal to negative 7. So then you subtract, divide a negative from both sides, and it'd be y is equal to 7. Then you have to pick an equation and plug it back in. So we'll go x minus 4 times 7 is equal to negative 18. Here would be x minus 28 is equal to negative 18. And you plus 28, making x equal to 10. And your solution is 10, 7. Okay, example 2 is a little harder. You have to multiply to get across. So here you would go, you can multiply the top one. We'll subtract the y's out in this one. So you go times this one by 5 and times this one by 2. And they turn out to be 7.5x plus 10y is equal to 100. And the bottom one would be 5x minus 10y is equal to negative 50. Now you add these together, and it would be 12.5x plus 0 is equal to 50. So it would be 12.5x is equal to 50. Now you divide by 12.5 from both sides. Maybe x is equal to 4. And then you're going to plug that back in to any equation. We'll go with the first one. So it would be 1.5 times 4 plus 2y is equal to 20. So then it would be 6 plus 2y is equal to 20. Minus 6 from both sides. 2y is equal to 14. Divide by 2. Y would equal 7, making your solution 4, 7, and it's independent. Okay, for this one we're going to take the x's out and we multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3. First equation would be negative 6x plus 10y is equal to 10. The second equation would be 6x plus 21y is equal to 72. Okay, so this would make it 0. 0 plus 41, that should be 20, is equal to 82. And then you divide 41 from both sides, making y equal to 2. Then you plug that in. We'll plug it back into 2x plus 7 times 2 is equal to 24. 2x plus 14 is equal to 24. Subtract 14 from both sides. And it would be 2x is equal to 10. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. X is equal to 5. The solution being 5, 2. Which is also independent. Okay, for the word problem, it says Spartan Stadium at San a state university in California has a seating capacity of 3,000. A newspaper article states that the Spartans get 4 times as many tickets sold as a visiting team. S represents Spartans and V represents visitors for tickets sold. So here we're going to write a system of equations and solve it for Spartan tickets sold and visitors. So we need to know 3,000 and we need to know 4 times as many. So first we have to have S plus V is equal to 3,000. That's the initial tickets sold. And then we have to go Spartans minus 4 times the visitors, because Spartans get 4 times as many, is equal to 0. So now we're going to solve this. And here we can solve for the x's. So we'll solve for v and we'll cancel out the x's. So we can go here and make this negative. So it'd be negative s plus 4v is equal to negative 0. And then we're going to add these together, so it'd be 5v is equal to 30,000. Beautiful. And then 30,000 divided by 5. So you're going to divide by 5 on each side, making it 6,000. So v is 6,000. We'll just plug v into s plus v is equal to 30,000. We'll plug that 6,000 back into v. So it'll be s plus 6,000 is equal to 30,000. So you subtract 6,000 from both sides. S will be equal to 24,000. So it'd be 24,000, 6,000 for our solution.